Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of February, it is the Saharan by Juvia's. I'll put a link in the description box down below that'll take you to the video that talks about how to enter that. I also have a giveaway going on right now for Jeffree Star, as well as one in collaboration with ESW Beauty. I will link all of those videos in the description box down below. Make sure to go check them out. The #1 rule for all my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber to win. I do this to get back to you guys, and I do check. So now let's talk a little bit about Facetory. So Facetory is a Korean skincare subscription service. They have a Lux, which comes out every quarter, as well as the 7 Lux, where you get 7 sheet masks. There's usually a bonus item in there as well, and that comes to $19.90 a month. So it's over $50 worth of sheet masks and skincare products. The US shipping is included in that price. So that's what we have for you today. I do have a code with Facetory. I'll put that in the description box down below. It will help you out if you want to get the Lux box, and it kind of helps me out as well. It gets me a discount on products in the future. So if you like to use it, go ahead. There's no obligation, obviously, to do so. Let's jump in and see what we got for the month of February. Facetory 7 Lux. So they did things a little bit different this time. Usually it's a box, and this time it's a bubble wrap envelope. Woohoo! Your package is here. Facetory symbol down here. There's always a card that talks about the products. And it says, February 7 Lux, curated by Facetory. This month of love reminds us to care for all things. So let's not forget about our skin. This month's box is packed with calming, balancing, and brightening sheet masks that ensure your skin is treated with all the tender love and care it deserves. Never forget self-love. Facetory fam. So Facetory does have their own products as well as featuring other brands as well. So this first one is the Facetory Everyday All of Squalane. Ooh, yes, please on the Squalane. Nourish your skin with one of the best skin balancing ingredients out there. Olive Squalane is perfect for providing skin with lovely glow while also being extremely moisturizing. Why they love it? We grab the sheet mask whenever our skin feels tired and confused. It's super comfortable on our skin and gives us the ultimate relaxation vibes. The best part is that it's fresh of harsh chemicals and fragrances. We never have to worry about the sheet mask because it's so gentle that it works perfectly well with our different skincare routines. It's the best fuss-free type mask. Key ingredients are the olive squalane, obviously. The ingredient balances and controls oil production by providing moisture that mimics the skin's natural oils. This ingredient also has great anti-aging properties. Does retail for $3.50. It's what I love about these masks, you guys. They're not all super expensive. You know, for $3, I think they're even, you know, a lot of times we'll throw in $2 and $1 masks. Take a little time, just relax and give yourself, you know, usually you leave them on 15 to 20 minutes and just take a little time for you. That's all I'm saying. So I do a masking review series here on this channel where I try on different masks, let you know what I think, rank them and everything else. So look for all of these in an upcoming masking review series. So I'm excited about this one. I love that it doesn't have the harsh chemicals, that it is, you know, doesn't have the artificial fragrance, which I'm really starting to get big on, and that it has the squalane. So I'm super excited about this one. Next from Beauty Check is I'm Real GIRA Mask in Aqua. It's a hydrating sheet mask that uses a breathable fabric to deliver skin-loving essence. Retails for $2.50. Why we love it: this sheet mask does wonders on our skin. It hydrates, brightens, and revitalizes our skin whenever it's feeling tired or dry. With all the hydration we get from this mask, our skin looks radiant the next day. No complaints here. Key ingredients are aloe leaf extract. This ingredient calms the skin of irritation. Is also rich in antioxidants as well as kiwi fruit extract. This is a wonderful moisturizing ingredient that fights free radicals and improves skin elasticity. I've noticed that I'm getting into more skins that kind of revitalize and kind of give my face a little oomph. So I'm excited to try this one. I love the packaging on this. This is so minimalistic. I don't even know what this is all about yet. You have a little vial up here and your mask itself is down here. I love that you can see through it. I love that you can still see that there is a ton of serum in here. So this is the Dr. Aretha Pro Lab Recovery Solution 2-Step Mask. How do you guys feel about 2-step masks? Do you like them? Do you think it's a little extra step that you don't need? Let me know that in the comments down below. A 2-step mask that is perfect for regeneration and revitalization. It includes a boosting ampoule that preps your skin and silk sheet mask that rejuvenates the skin. Why we love it: the mask is a real winner. We like using it when our skin is feeling exhausted and needs some help recovering. It has light gel-like ampoule and the first step and a sheet mask to lock it all in. Our skin looks really bright and it feels super smooth. You can never go wrong with two-step masks. I like 2-step masks. I think, if you've got something that'll kind of help it, yeah, I'm about that. So this does retail for $5.50. Obviously, you open the pouch, twist the cap of the ampoule to open, gently tap and massage until it is fully absorbed. And then step 2, remove the mask, put it on 15 to 20. This sounds really cool. Can't wait. By Aida is a Bio-cellulose Propolis mask. This sheet mask will invigorate your skin, and it's packed with propolis extract that helps heal the skin of irritation while adding a boost of hydration. Why they love it? We love the Bio-cellulose mask. This one fits perfectly on our skin. Oh, and the essence of this mask is one of our favorites because it absorbs into our skin so well, it doesn't leave us feeling too sticky. Our skin looks brighter and feels more hydrated. Perfect for a daytime mask. It does have the propolis extract, which ingredient is amazing healing and repairing properties, which will help calm and restore irritated skin. I don't really have irritated skin that often. There's also the Artemis Vigor extract. This ingredient is a well-known healing extract. It strengthens the skin and calms redness and irritations. Like I said, I don't really have a whole lot of this. I do have a Bio-cellulose mask. I like that it's beneficial to people with super sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin, but it's not like overly sensitive, I guess. I don't know if that made any sense whatsoever. Let's try this one. This does retail for $4.20. Next we have from Farmskin. I've tried one of their masks before and really loved it. This is the Superfood Nourishing Mask in Coconut. Retails for $3.50. And the sheet mask has a creamy essence that moisturizes the skin. Revive your skin with the Nourishing Coconut Sheet Mask. Why they love it: it's calming, it's moisturizing, it's a wonderful creamy texture that leaves our complexion glowing and healthy. What more can we ask for? Definitely try this one out when your skin needs a little extra love. It does have coconut water, skin smoothing, nourishing ingredient that calms inflammation and soothes the skin. It also has the chipona extract. This ingredient helps reduce damage, free radicals, and also protects moisturizing the skin. I'm not quite sure how I feel about the coconut, because that can sometimes irritate my skin. Yeah, this one's probably going to be pass because it does irritate the skin. From Aroh is the Probiotic Brightening Mask Pack. Retails for $3. And ready to twinkle like the lovely stars above. Well, this mask is just do that. The skin will be looking radiant, smooth, and beautiful. Why we love it. This mask never disappoints us. We love to use this after a long day. It really helps hydrate and moisturize and calm our skin for the next morning. It also contains some amazing ingredients we know we love, like Cantella estheca, Tremilla, Formilius, mushroom, and Oryzia salvia rice extracts. That was a mouthful. Key ingredients are fig fruit extracts. This ingredient contains vitamin A and C, which will help brighten, renew, and refresh the skin. And then it also has the mushroom extract, which helps brighten and moisturize the skin for a dewy look. I'm all about a dewy look lately, so I'm looking forward to this one. By Sure Medic is the Vital Collagen Mask. Collagen? Yes, please. Retails for $3.50. Recharge your skin with the sheet mask infused with collagen. This mask firms and revitalizes tired skin. Now we are talking. Why we love it. We love grabbing this mask when we want to have a supple complexion. It really helps deliver a boost of our skin and helps with our skin's resilience. It does have polygrammatic acid. This ingredient maintains the skin's surface, moisturize levels, and helps hydrate the skin. Hydrolyzed collagen, an anti-aging ingredient that helps the skin firm and plump. It's a great humectant and ingredient that also helps hydrate the skin. I know collagen is better if you intake it, and I have been intaking so much collagen lately, you guys. Over the Christmas season, I was kind of dancing a little bit too much in heels, and I had my big toe on my left, and my toenail was not super long. It wasn't crazy long or anything like that. I mean, it was barely like as long as my thumbnail, and you know, it was like that. Anyway, the heel pushed the nail back up, and so it turned black and it turned blue on me, and I was like, oh, I don't know about this. And then it started to lift and come apart from it. And I happened to go see my dermatologist because I was going in for my annual skin check, and they said this nail needs to come off because there's going to be bacteria that's going to grow underneath it, and it's going to get infected, and it's better off if it's just not there. So, hence I no longer have a toenail on my big toe, and so I'm trying to get as much collagen as I can to get those nails to grow, so it hopefully will grow back. They said that's not 100% that it ever will, but you know, there's like 75% chance that it will. So, I haven't seen any results yet, and it's been about 2 or 3 weeks, but I know toenails take forever to grow. Any recommendations? Let me know that in the comments down below as well. Anyway, I'm all about collagen, even on the face. The bonus gift is from Essenherb. It is their tea tree ampoule. Ampules are similar to serums. They contain concentrated ingredients that treat the skin. They're great to use and give your skin an extra boost of protein and hydration morning and night. Does retail for $25, you guys. Remember, you only spent $19 on this box. So why we love it. We love the tea tree ampoule. Is great to help soothe the skin while also balancing oils to ensure the skin is comfortable. The key ingredient is the tea tree extract. The anti-inflammatory ingredients is best known for treating blemishes. Aside from that, it also works for calm redness and smooth texture. I don't really have blemishes that often. I don't really have redness. Smoothing the texture, that I'm all about. So, excited for it. So what did you guys think? I mean, there's obviously some real winners in here. There was one that I was gonna probably pass on. What did you guys think? Let me know all that in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It means the world to me when you guys like and subscribe and leave comments. Turn on your notifications, hit the subscribe button twice. It'll turn on the notifications for you, so that way you know when our next video will be uploaded. I hope that you guys have a fabulous rest of your day. YouTube will now suggest a couple other videos for you. If you have time, check them out as well. I will see you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.